Hey YouTube, man, it's your boy Ty, man, back with another update. So this right here is the cash cow indicator that I'm actually going to be dropping very, very soon, guys. I just want to show y'all some of the accuracy of this thing, man. So as you can see, like right here, we got a buy signal. And then right here, you see how it says CB, that's closed buy. All right, then you got another buy. You got another buy indicator right here. And then went and draw down a little bit, straight up, CB closed by. Then right here, guys, we had another buy indication. Market ranged a little bit, went down, shot to the ceiling. And then you see how it said closed by right at the top of the candle, guys. It's going to tell you the perfect times when to get in and when to get out. Right here, you got another buy indicator. We in drawdown right now, but I entered right off the bottom of this green area as well. And then I'm just going to show you some more of these other alerts that we have got. Let me go to the alert log. And the last one, what we got was a GBP JPY buy. All right. As you can see right here, we got a buy indicator right here. Shot up, closed the buy. And then now we got another buy opportunity as well to 163.33. So I haven't quite yet tapped out, but I think it's going to go right here to the top of this red line. It's not 100% accurate, guys. Let me see. Yeah, it's about 61% accurate on this pair. Because you got a sell right here, but then this one ended up closing on a loss. So you would have lost on that one. Then I'm going to show y'all some gold as well. Because this works on gold as well. Pretty much any pair. See, like with this one, you got a buy right here at the top. You would have closed your buy in profit. Got another buy right here, closed it in profit. Buy right here, would have closed in profit. You got a sell right here, would have closed that sell in profit. Got another sell indication, would have closed that sell in profit. See, like this one, 71% accurate, guys. So those are the key pairs that you want to look for whenever you're doing this. All right. The key things that you want to look for. All right, then I'm gonna show y'all some AU just so I can, just show y'all how accurate this thing is. As you can see right there, that's already two winners. All right, right here, this one's 71% accurate. Right here, you would have got a closed sale. A sale. Then you would have ended up closing your sale in a loss, and then you would have bought. And then you can see right there, you would have won. Close buy, close buy. Then you got a buy right here. And let's see, it went in profit, went down. And then this one, you would have closed your buy like right at break even. And then you got a sale, closed your sale in profit. And you would have got another sale right here. And then you would have just closed your sale right there in profit, guys. See, Euro USD. As y'all can see, man, straight winners already. Straight winners. Really straight winners throughout this whole throw. Buy, close the buy in profit, buy, close the buy right there in profit, sell, would have closed your sell, sell, would have closed the sell in profit, 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 and then you got another sell right here, would have closed that sell in profit, guys. Can't make this up at all. Here's another one, man. Straight winners. Sell, close the sale in profit. You would have got a buy. And then this one, excuse me, this one went in drawdown. But you would have came out on top and closed closed this one out in profit. And this one's also 70% accurate. So as y'all can see, guys, man, I'm loving this indicator. Right now, like I said, I'm in a Bitcoin buy. I enter right off of this green. And I'm just waiting now, guys. So if you want to get access to this indicator or want some details about when can you gain access to this indicator, what you want to do is add me on Telegram or also add me on Facebook or Instagram. Also like and subscribe to this channel and stay up to date about when it's about to drop. This was just a teaser. And then this is also the indicator what I've been using on my PAMM account. And as y'all can see, I'm already up 162%. Crazy. Crazy, guys. As you can see, man, can't beat this. All right, so y'all tap in and let me know. Peace.